English!
Don't worry, even if you don't know English, you can learn from English Talk Together channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
If you work in an office, or you want to work in an office one day,
And English feels a little scary.
this lesson is for you.
Today, we're going to learn easy, real English for office and work.
No difficult grammar,
No long explanations.
just simple conversations you can use every day.
At work,
I'm Emma.
and I'm Jack.
If you're new here, welcome.
And if you're coming back, thank you so much.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Today is part 1 of our Office English series.
In this part, we will learn
How to greet people at work.
how to talk to coworkers.
How to answer simple work questions.
First, we will talk together.
Then, we will ask you to talk with us.
So please don't be shy.
Speak out loud.
Let's start with something very basic.
Greetings.
When you see your coworker in the morning, what do you say?
The easiest way is, good morning.
Let's say it together.
Good morning.
Everyone, now you say it.
Good. One more time.
Good morning. More greeting examples. You can also say, "Hi, how are you?"
Or, good morning. How's it going?
Let's practice. "Hi, how are you?"
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
"I'm good, thanks."
Now, everyone, repeat after us.
"Hi, how are you?"
I'm good, thank you.
Now let's imagine something.
We work in the same office.
We see each other in the break room. "Hi, Jack."
Hi, Emma. How's your day going?
"It's going well. How about yours?"
Pretty good. Just busy.
That's a very common office word.
Busy.
It means you have a lot of work.
Practice time.
Everyone, repeat after me. It's going well.
Now repeat. I'm busy today.
Good job. Talking about work.
At work, people often ask, what are you working on?
This is a very common question.
Emma, what are you working on?
I'm working on a report.
Simple. Clear. More examples.
You can say, "I'm working on a report." "I'm working on a project." "I'm working on some emails."
Let's practice together.
I'm working on a report.
I'm working on a project.
Jack, are you really working?
Yes, after coffee.
Coffee is your favorite work partner.
Always.
Sometimes at work, you need help.
That's okay.
You can say, "Can you help me?"
Or, more polite, could you help me, please?
"Jack, could you help me with this file?"
Sure, no problem.
Everyone, say it with me. Could you help me, please?
Very good.
When you want to go back to work, you can say, "I need to get back to work."
Or, let's talk later. All right, Emma, I need to get back to work.
Sure, talk to you later. Now let's put everything together.
Listen first.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm busy today. I'm working on a project.
Oh, okay. Good luck.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Your turn. Now, everyone,
Pause the video if you want.
say this conversation out loud.
Practice makes confidence.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear and simple English.
Every sentence is progress.
You're doing great.
If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up.
In Part 2, we'll learn office emails and work chat English.
In our last lesson, we learned how to talk to coworkers at work.
We practiced greetings, small talk, and simple office conversations.
Today is part 2.
And today, we're going to talk about something very important.
Emails,
And work chat.
Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, messages at work.
Simple, polite, and professional English.
First, Jack and I will talk.
Then, we'll ask you to speak with us.
Please say the sentences out loud.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Let's start with the beginning of an email.
The greeting.
At work, we usually say, "Hi," plus name.
For example, hi, John. Hi, Sarah.
Let's say it together. Hi, John.
Everyone, now you say it.
More polite greetings.
You can also say, hello, John.
Or, more formal, Dear John.
But hi, John is very common and friendly.
Repeat after me. Hi, Anna.
Good job.
After the greeting, we write the message.
Keep it short and clear.
I'm reading an email. Hi, Jack. I hope you're doing well. I have a question about the report. Could you please help me? Thank you. Emma.
That email is polite and simple.
Here are some very useful sentences.
Listen first.
I hope you're doing well.
Thank you for your email.
Please let me know. Everyone repeat. I hope you're doing well.
Now, thank you for your email.
Great.
Emma always writes very polite emails.
And you write very short emails.
Efficient.
Sure.
Asking for help in email.
Sometimes you need help at work.
You can ask politely.
You can say, could you help me with this?
Or, could you please take a look?
Hi, Jack. Could you please take a look at this file?
Sure, I'll check it today.
Everyone, say it with me. Could you please take a look?
Very good.
Sometimes we make mistakes.
That's okay. Polite apologies.
You can say, sorry for the delay.
Or, I'm sorry for the late reply. Hi, Emma. Sorry for the late reply. I was busy this morning.
No problem. Thanks for letting me know.
Everyone, repeat. Sorry for the late reply. Good.
Now, let's talk about work chat.
Messages are usually shorter.
You can write, Hi, Jack. Quick question.
Or, are you free now?
Hi, Jack. Quick question.
Sure. What's up?
Can you join the meeting at 3?
Yes, I can.
Everyone, repeat. Quick question.
Good.
To end an email, you can say, thank you.
Or, best regards.
Or, simple, thanks.
Everyone, repeat. Thank you.
Now, listen to the full email. Hi, Anna. I hope you're doing well. Could you please help me with the report? Thank you. Emma. Now, everyone,
Say it out loud.
practice speaking.
Work emails don't need big words.
Simple English is good English.
Clear English is confident English.
You're learning step by step.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video.
In part 3, we'll talk about
Meetings and presentations.
speaking in meetings. In part 1, we learned basic office conversations.
In part 2, we practice emails and work chat.
Today is part 3.
And today, we're going to talk about something many people feel nervous about.
Meetings.
And presentations.
Don't worry.
We'll keep it simple.
First, Jack and I will talk in a meeting.
Then we'll show you useful sentences.
After that,
You will repeat with us.
let's imagine we're in a meeting.
Everyone is sitting at a table.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Let's start the meeting.
Today, we're going to talk about the new project.
Here are some common meeting sentences.
Listen first.
Let's start the meeting.
Thank you for joining.
Everyone, repeat after me. Let's start the meeting. Everyone, repeat after me. Let's start the meeting.
Good. In meetings, people ask for your opinion. You don't need long sentences. Emma, what do you think?
I think this is a good idea.
Simple and clear.
You can say, I think this is good. I think this will work. I think we need more time. Everyone, repeat. I think this is a good idea. Emma always has an opinion. And you always agree.
That's teamwork.
Sometimes you agree.
Sometimes you don't.
To agree, say, I agree.
Or, that's a good point.
Everyone repeat, I agree.
To disagree politely, say, I'm not sure about that.
Or, I see your point, but...
Repeat, I see your point, but...
It's okay to ask questions.
Very normal at work.
You can ask, can you explain that?
Or, could you say that again?
Sorry, could you explain that again?
Of course.
Everyone, say it with me. Could you explain that again? Now, let's talk about presentations.
Very short and simple.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about our new project. First, I'll explain the idea. Then, I'll talk about the timeline. Thank you.
That's a perfect, simple presentation.
Useful phrases. Today, I'd like to talk about first, next, finally.
Practice.
Everyone repeat. Today, I'd like to talk about. When the meeting ends, you can say, thank you, everyone.
Or, let's talk again soon. Thank you, everyone, for your time.
Let's follow up by email. Everyone repeat. Thank you, everyone.
Now, listen to the full conversation.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start the meeting. Today, we're talking about the new project.
I think this is a good idea.
I agree. Any questions?
Could you explain the timeline?
Sure. Thank you, everyone. Now you.
Say it out loud.
Practice with us.
Meetings don't need perfect English.
They need clear English.
Your voice matters.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
If you enjoyed part 3, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
In part 4, we'll talk about
Talking to your boss, clients, and difficult situations.
Today is part 4 of our Office English series.
And today, we are going to talk about something very important.
Talking to your boss.
And clients.
And handling difficult situations.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and friendly.
First, we'll show a conversation with your boss.
Then, a conversation with the client.
Finally, we'll show how to handle tricky situations at work. Let's imagine you need to ask your boss for help.
Or ask for more time.
Hi, John. Do you have a moment?
Sure, Emma. What's up?
I'm working on the report and I need some clarification. Could you help me?
Of course. Let's go through it together. You can say, do you have a moment? Could you help me? I need clarification on.
Today is part 4 of our Office English series.
And today, we are going to talk about something very important.
Talking to your boss.
And clients.
And handling difficult situations.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and friendly.
First, we'll show a conversation with your boss.
Then, a conversation with the client.
Finally, we'll show how to handle tricky situations at work. Let's imagine you need to ask your boss for help.
Or ask for more time.
Hi, John. Do you have a moment?
Sure, Emma. What's up?
I'm working on the report and I need some clarification. Could you help me?
Of course. Let's go through it together. You can say, Do you have a moment? Could you help me? I need clarification on.
Everyone repeat. Do you have a moment? Now, could you help me? Sometimes you need more time for a task.
Here's a polite way to ask.
Hi, John. May I have more time to finish the report?
Sure, no problem. When do you need it?
I can finish it by tomorrow afternoon. Repeat after me. May I have more time to finish the report? Now, let's imagine a client calls.
You want to sound professional and polite.
Hi, Emma. I have a question about the project. Hi, sure. How can I help you? Can you send the updated files? Of course. I'll send them today.
How can I help you? Of course, I'll send it today. Thank you for your patience.
Everyone repeat. How can I help you? Good. Now, thank you for your patience. Sometimes things go wrong at work.
You can stay polite and professional.
Hi, John. I realize there is a mistake in the report. I will correct it immediately.
Thank you for letting me know. The files are not correct.
I'm very sorry. I will fix them right away and send you the updated version.
I realized there is a mistake. I will correct it immediately. I'm very sorry. I will fix it right away.
Everyone repeat, I will correct it immediately. Sometimes things go wrong at work.
You can stay polite and professional.
Hi, John. I realize there is a mistake in the report. I will correct it immediately.
Thank you for letting me know. The files are not correct.
I'm very sorry. I will fix them right away and send you the updated version.
I realized there is a mistake. I will correct it immediately. I'm very sorry. I will fix it right away.
Everyone repeat, I will correct it immediately. Sometimes things go wrong at work.
You can stay polite and professional.
Hi, John. I realize there is a mistake in the report. I will correct it immediately.
Thank you for letting me know. The files are not correct.
I'm very sorry. I will fix them right away and send you the updated version.
I realized there is a mistake. I will correct it immediately. I'm very sorry. I will fix it right away.
Everyone repeat, I will correct it immediately. Thank you for your time. I'll send the updated files by today.
Thank you, Emma.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Now, I'll send the updated files by today. Let's put everything together.
Hi, John. Do you have a moment? I realize there is a mistake in the report. I will correct it immediately. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, Emma.
Hi, Sarah. I'll send the updated files today.
Thank you, Emma.
Now, everyone, repeat the full conversation out loud.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Practice makes confident English. Talking to your boss or clients can be scary.
But simple, polite English works every time.
Clear English equals confident English.
You're improving every day.
If you liked the series, please like this video.
And subscribe for more lessons.
Now you can speak confidently at work, in meetings, emails, chat, and even with your boss or clients.
Bye.